fixed point is called the center of the circle and the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. So what is the general equation of the circle? That is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. The given lines are the diameter. You will get the center. They have given the radius. Substitute in the equation. You will get the equation of a circle. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidyashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So welcome to the first session of the chapter Circle. In today's session, we will be mainly discussing on the definition of a circle and the equations of the circle. We have various forms of equation. So let us study it now. So what do you mean by circle? A circle is the locus of a point which moves in a plane so that its distance from a fixed point is always remain a constant. So a circle, as you know, it is in this form and it is always a locus of a point from a fixed point so that its distance from anywhere to the circle is always constant. Okay, this fixed point is called the center of the circle and the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. So it is formed from the point to certain fixed distance and it can be generated like this. So this is how a circle is generated, and the point where the circle is generated is called the center of the circle. It is a fixed point and the constant distance from the center to the circle is called the radius of the circle. Now, let us see what is the equation of a circle. First, let us see the equation of the circle in different form. The very first one is the equation of the circle whose center is the origin. That is, the center or the fixed point of the circle is the origin and the radius being r. So let the radius of the circle be r. We know the origin is represented by O and its coordinate is always 0, 0. Let P be any point on the circle, x, y is the coordinate of the point P. I have taken the distance of the radius as r. Then what is the equation? So now, as I said, 0, 0 is the coordinate of the origin and x, y is the coordinate of the point P which is on the circle, and this is the distance r. By using distance formula, what we can conclude? That is, by distance formula, we can write OP is equal to square root of x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. That is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, what is this OP? OP is actually the distance r. And if you take the square root or squaring on both sides, this becomes r square is equal to x minus 0 whole square is x square, y minus 0 is y square. So therefore, this is the equation of the circle whenever the origin becomes the center and r is the radius of the circle. That is, x square plus y square is equal to r square, the equation of the circle with center as the origin. Next form, so here let the center be any point h, k on the coordinate again and r be the distance of a radius. Now I have taken a circle whose center is h, k, any point on the coordinate plane. Now let P be the point on the circle whose coordinate is x, y. Again, by using distance formula only, what we can write here, that is CP is equal to, apply x2 minus x1 form. So this is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Outside we have a square root. Now squaring on both sides, here CP is actually the radius. Therefore, this is r square is equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Or we can say x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square is the general equation of a circle with center h comma k. This is also the standard equation of the circle. Now, as I said, the previous one as the standard equation of the circle, if you substitute h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0 in the previous equation, you will get back the equation x square plus y square is equal to r square, which is the general equation of the circle with origin as the center. So, you can also verify it, that is, we have x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. If you put h and k value 0 here, this becomes x square plus y square is equal to r square. So, r square here also. So, this is the general equation of the circle with origin as a center. So, therefore, this equation is called the standard equation of the circle. Now, let us take few problems on the equations of the circle. Given, find the equation of the circle with center at origin and radius is 4 unit. What is the equation of the circle when its center is origin? That is x square plus y square is equal to r square, where r is the radius of the circle. So, here r is equal to 4. So, therefore, what is my equation of the circle? It is x square plus y square is equal to 16. Now, let us take one more question. Find the equation of the circle with center at 1, 1 and radius root 2 unit. So, we have a center which is in the form of h comma k and radius r is equal to root 2 unit. What is the standard equation of the circle? It is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So, h value is 1. So, it is x minus 1 whole square and this is y minus 1 whole square. R is root 2. So, r square is only 2. So, this is the equation of the circle with center 1, 1 and radius root 2. Next, we have a question. Find the equation of the circle having the center at 3, 4 and touching the x-axis and r is given as radius 2. So, what is the general equation of the circle? That is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now, here h is given as 3. So, it is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square and r is given as 2 there. So, r square is 4. So, therefore, the equation of the circle is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 4. Next, we have a question. Find the equation of the circle having the center at 2, minus 3 and passes through the point of intersections of the line 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 and 4x plus y is equal to 27. We have two lines here whose intersect point we have to find and we have a circle passing through this point and here is our point 2, minus 3. So, this point is on the circle. So, let us find the intersection point of these two lines now. So, here we have two equations. The very first equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 and next one is 4x plus y is equal to 27. So, we have two simultaneous equations. First, let us solve this equation. Now, to make it common, let us multiply 4 and 3 here so that x factor become common now. So, 4 3s are 12x minus 8y is equal to 4. Next 3 4s are 12x plus 3y. Again 27 3s are 81. So, now subtract. So, change the sign. Cancels. Change the sign here also. Change the sign here also. 8 minus 3 is minus 11y which is equal to minus 81 plus 4 becomes minus 77. So, on solving we will get y is equal to 7. Now, substitute y is equal to 7 in any one of the equation. Let me take 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 So 3x minus 2, 7 is equal to 1. 3x minus 14 is equal to 1. 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 5. So therefore, the point of intersection is 5, 7. Next, we got this point as 5, 7. So here we'll get the radius by applying the distance formula. Let us apply the distance formula there now. So when apply distance formula, as I said, so this is the point we got now, that is 5, 7. And center of the circle we got as 2, minus 3. So let us find the radius now. That is the distance from the center to the point of intersection. Now radius, if you need, it is a square root of 5 minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus of minus 3 become plus 3 whole square, which is 3 square plus 10 square, 100 plus 9, 109. So therefore R is equal to 109. Now the general equation of the circle, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to R square. Now we got the center as 2, minus 3. So therefore here the equation become x minus 2 whole square plus k is minus 3. It becomes minus of minus 3 plus 3 whole square. Radius is root 109. When you square it, it becomes 109. So this is the equation of the circle which is required passing through the intersection of the two lines. Next question. Find the equation of the circle whose two diameters are x plus 2y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 6 and radius is 6 unit. So we have two diameters here. So if this is the circle, we have two diameter. The intersections of the diameter is nothing but the center of the circle. So let us solve the equation. We will get the center of the circle and we have already radius here. Just apply in the standard form of the equation of circle. You will get the equation of the circle. Let us take the equation. X plus 2y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 6. We have subtract minus plus minus. Plus x minus x cancels. This is 3y is equal to minus 3. This implies y is equal to minus 1. Substitute in any one of the equation. So we have x plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 3. X minus 2 is equal to 3. X is equal to 5. So therefore the center you can say h comma k as 5 comma minus 1 and radius is given, that is equal to 6 unit. So therefore the equation of the circle here, the equation of circle is x minus h, which is 5 whole square plus y minus k, it is minus 1, so it becomes plus 1 is equal to r square, which is 6 square 36. So this is the equation of the circle. So first find the point of intersection, that is the center of the circle, because the given lines are the diameter. You will get the center. They have given the radius. Substitute in the equation. You will get the equation of a circle. So yes, in today's session, we have learned two types of general equation of a circle whenever the center is origin and the center is h comma k, and solve few problems in it. Next session, we will discuss few more equations on circle and problems related to it. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.